Hello traders, this is addzeros. I wanted to have a quick recap of today's trade. As I mentioned that my account was not working, so I'm dealing with the IB. I traded three tickers and here is the results. I traded VISC, GXX and CAN. Let me quickly walk you through because it's a small account and I just made a quick scalp because of the shares as I can take, and I traded Kane twice. One is a loser, one is a winner. I traded GXX once, VISC I traded twice. So let's see that how did I trade today. So in the opening, so on the VISC, on the break of the first minute candle, I went long. I was expecting a quick move, and today I was expecting VISC to turn to red to green based on the multiple movers. But as you know, we also need to analyze the price action. So at this point, I thought that this was the resistance is going to break quickly and going to move up. So it's not able to doing much, but I wanted to see that whether it can break the low of the day
Order filled.
or not. So I'm building a position now. I have a 150 shares around 47.24, and I wanted to see what it does. So this candle was really bad. So I don't know what I need to do now is just that whether it does it break the low of the day, and movement is going to break the low of the day. I'm just gonna close the trade. So it didn't break.
Order filled.
Close the day is trying to move back up. I added into one more position into it to see that what it's going to do now. So my average is 47. I'm almost 30-cent loser at this point. I wanted to give one more chance to see that whether it can move up or it can move down. So I'm looking at it. Okay, so now it's moving up, breaking the uh, first minute candle, breaking the resistance, and now I wanted to see what it does. So I'm now, I'm looking at it, the continuation, and wanted to see the red to green move. So 47.44. Now let's see what it does. So, and it went on the same level of the previous minute candle and is now trying to move back down. So I'm still looking at to see what it's going to do. If this time it couldn't go up, I'm going to close out. So now 47.90, 46.86. From the 46.90 it pulled back up now. Let's see. So now I'm looking at it, and if it couldn't break this time, I'm just gonna be closed. uh, okay, so I'm about to close out. The moment is gonna break this candle and I'm gonna close out. So every time it's trying to come down, is pulling back up. So I see still the strength, not the clear witness, but I wanted to put the stop loss here. This platform I don't use that much, so I don't. I'm trying to see that where is my stop loss here. So this candle looks very beautiful. I like that. Now I wanted to put something on a trailing order, but before I do anything, uh, I think it's just gonna go back, move back down. And I guess I missed the opportunity to. Uh, so I'm now thinking, okay, if it's break 47.50, then I should step out. I mean, then this means that it's
Order
not have a
filled.
strength. And it's exactly the same thing. It coming back down now. It tried to move up but couldn't, and now I'm closing it out.
Order filled.
I'm closed out because I didn't like the trade it's going through. So it's just trying to establish, but volume is nice, but it doesn't have any good momentum here. So next trade I did is a cane. I'm gonna bring it here. I think it's on the other screen. So won't you able to see? Let me pause this and show you how did I trade the cane. So the cane I traded. What happening here? So gain I here in the opening range. I stopped out once, so the moment it gapped down, tried to move up. The moment it tried to break the first minute candle, I went long. It moved back. I say it's a bull flag. I added into my position. At this point, I was here, and the moment it broke the low of the day, I stopped out. And the moment I stopped out, it moved back up. I re-entered into the trade, and then I close out everything here, and it came down back up again. It tried one more time here, and then so that's the way I traded. I made 43. I lost $127. So I basically in the two trades I was positive $43. The next trade I had is the GSX. So GSX is the reversal to the VWAP. So I saw that in the first 15 minutes very gap down, but I was this time I wanted to see the momentum and wanted to touch 3650. But the moment it broke this consolidation, I went long here. I added into my position. The moment it touched first, I scalped out the first position. Then the moment it broke the VWAP, I closed half in position here, and the moment it broke back, I closed it here and sees a sharp sell off, and then it's moved back up, but it couldn't able to break the VWAP, and now it's again selling it off. So I just did a quick scalp here. uh, and the reason I have not traded much into the short side these stock, because these are have a short restrictions, and there's an equity account, so you always get there's a lot of slippage usually for those stocks which are on the short restriction. So I don't want to take a risk on the short side. So that's why I tried to do a reversal of my trade on the scalp on the positive side. So overall, given I don't have account, I think this is fine with me. And hope you guys also have a green day. Give me a feedback on what you think about today's trading.